Hello guys, I hope you're all fine. Today we are here to discuss about pricing engineering equipment parts and tools. It is estimating the cost of operation of all engineering equipments used in the projects. Here the pricing is done based on two factors. In that the first one is ownership cost. Here this ownership cost includes initial cost, which is about 25% of the total annual cost of the machinery. Whereas the next one is depreciation. It is defined as the reduction in the market value of the equipment. Whereas here this depreciation is calculated by the following methods. The first one is straight line depreciation. Here we use the formula dn equals to ic minus s minus tc divided by n. Here ic is the initial cost, whereas s is the salvage cost, whereas tc is the tire and track cost, whereas n is the useful life in years. Whereas the next method is double decline balance depreciation. Here we use the formula dn equals to 2 by n into b vn minus 1 minus tc. Here b vn minus 1 is the book value at the end of the previous year, whereas the next one is the sum of years digit depreciation. Here we use the formula dn equals to year for which depreciation needs to be calculated divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n into ic minus s minus tc. Here the next one is investment cost. It is the annual cost of the money invested for the equipment. Whereas the next one is insurance cost. It is the cost invested for the insurance of the equipment. Whereas the next one is tax. It is the cost paid for the product taxes and licenses, like property taxes and licenses. Whereas the next one is storage cost. It includes the rental cost. Whereas the next one is like the cost of operating engineering equipments. Here in it the first one is maintenance cost. It is the cost invested for the maintenance of the equipment. Whereas the next one is consumable cost. Here it includes fuel cost and lubricant, oil cost, etc. Whereas the next one is mobilization cost. It is the cost of moving the equipment from one place to another. Whereas the next one is operator cost. It is the wages of the operator who operates the machinery. Whereas the next one is special items cost. Here it includes the cost of replacement of damaged items like blades, etc. Here if you see I told you here there are this pricing is dependent on based on two factors. The first one is ownership cost. Sorry guys. Here up to this these are all ownership costs, whereas this is the second factor. It is cost of operating engineering equipments. This is all about the pricing engineering equipment parts and tools. I hope you understand guys. Thank you.